replacing the air filter in our Boxster S with a K&N high flow filter. So we'll show you how to remove the air filter. It's nice and easy. Now, lots of videos on putting the roof in the service position and opening the engine bay, so not too hard to do. Already gone ahead and done it. Air filter, nice and easy. There's two clips, one here, which is awesome, unlike a lot of German cars now that have a million torques to hold in the airbox. You can see our modification of a new S3 airbox we just did, and yeah, 8 torque screws to hold it in. So push the pins over and this just pulls straight up the cartridge. So that's our filter, the stock one. It's pretty old. I've had this out already, and there was a layer of foam over here that completely disintegrated when I touched it, and I just had to order this. So it's pretty dirty, and when you look at the build date, it is 2011. So this car doesn't have many kilometers on it, but that should have been changed before then. So in the box, you get a cool K&N sticker. We'll put that on top of the edge here, so if it gets serviced, people know it's in there. Instructions and a tube of high temperature grease. So this is supposed to be put, grease is supposed to be put on the ribs of this slider, and that I guess helps slide into the car a lot easier. So we'll just run a bead of this grease down each of these ribs, and that should help just sliding it in nice and easy. So it says it's going to be much tighter than the factory air filter, so it should seal a bit better. So we'll take the filter out of the packaging, put it in a little tray, push it in so it seats well, and then pop it into the back of the car. Putting it back in, same as reverse. Get it here, line it up, slide that in. It is nice and firm, which is good. And then we close the tray, which we've greased. It is very tight, as you can see. Clip, clip. There you go. Installed. That's the air filter change. You can see how said old mine was. Definitely be redoing it much earlier than that.